Well, it's been over a month since I've been here, so I'm looking forward to look at the boat again. Kind of chilly. It's supposed to be raining for a few days starting tomorrow, and there's freezing rain right now, so yeah, I thought I would just come over and just look at the boat a little bit. Well, I can see the boat down there, this one, and let's get to it. And here she is. Haha. Gracias. Nice to see you. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, can't wait for the washing to be done there alongside so that the algae is all gone. The machine broke down just before the winter started, so yeah, oh well, all good. So now I can only squeeze down there, make it to the other side. Eating all those vegetables is appreciated right now. Oh, look at that, the ladder can even go up the boat. Well. Yeah, I got the canvas 1, 2, 3 parts at the upholstery store. They're still waiting for the zippers. They're back ordered just to have them repaired. So in the meantime, I'm guessing some dust is gonna get in, but as soon as it's ready, I'm gonna go up, take them and zip them up. Now let's climb aboard. Good old Yacht. Yeah, lots of history together. Now, why did I buy a yacht? I mean, you know, when you look at those YouTube channels, the very popular one with millions of views, they're the ones that someone who goes into the forest, they have this old log cabin and it's minus 20 outside. There's a snowstorm. They have this little fireplace going on and it's very cozy, right? It's like we can relate. It feels like oh, you're trying to survive and stuff like that, so the instincts kick in type of thing. So very similarly, that's how it is for a boat, I find, especially one with a cabin, because you go and get your groceries. As soon as you get off the dock, you're kind of on your own, and you're at the mercy of the elements. When it rains, you're all nice and cozy inside, and you make your you have your food that you have to ration and make sure that you have enough to get to your destination. So it's just fantastic that way. Also, it's a getaway, just a bit like when you go to a cottage. You're just away from home, and it's another place to be. The mind just thinks about other things, so it's very refreshing. Another reason why I bought the boat is once I retired, I wanted to have something to show for, right? I mean, I worked all my life and I put some money aside. So I didn't want just to retire and watch TV every day, 7 days a week. So I wanted to go and explore and have fun and enjoy the fruits of my labor, really. I'm very happy to be able to plan vacations on the boat and just to float. It's a different world. The boat just wobbles a little bit on the river. Oh yes, I'm impressed. Look at this, it's a belt. So I had asked to do some maintenance before my May-June 2025 boating vacation in the Georgian Bay. That includes changing all the belts and stuff like that. I mean, I'll keep the other ones as spare ones, but I want new ones. I just don't want to be stranded over there for a few days waiting for a repair to be done. So yeah, it's they're working on it now. That's fantastic. Along with the other things like the thermostats and the impellers. So that's great. I'm super happy. I just checked in the engine compartment and yeah, there's some brand new belts in there. Oh gosh, I love it. And while we're here, well, you know what? Let's go inside. Oh, yes. Oh, it's dark. Oh man. man, it's nice to be here. It's super cold. I'm on my socks right now, and yeah, I'm not gonna be here very long. Wow. Oh, that voyage in Georgian Bay is already playing in my mind. Well, that's gonna be a quick tour because my feet are already frozen. Wow, it's cold. See you later. Now I understand why the ladder was here. It was for me. Yeah, so when it gets a bit warmer outside, maybe in April, I'm gonna be changing the sacrificial rods, the anodes, I think they call. So yeah, a little something on the to-do list. That was just a quick tour of the boat. Just what, about 4 months to go? Let's say we're mid January. So yeah, about 4.5 months to go. By the way, look at the anti-foul paint at work. Hey? Oh, ha ha ha. It's beautiful underneath there. All right, ciao, big girl. We'll see you when we see you. Well, it's between 9 and 10 a.m. on a beautiful Sunday morning, and it is time for an environmental scan. Now, for those who are not familiar with that term, it's also known as a 360. In an organization, you just pause and you look around and you see what are the risk threat assessments. One of my favorite saying is that it takes a smart person to solve a problem, but it takes a genius to prevent the problem from happening in the first place. I like that a lot. So, yeah. But here on the boat, what does an environmental scan stand for?